subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Honor has launched its new smartphone under X50 lineup in China called Honor X50 GT. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Honor X50 GT features a tall 6.78-inch Quad HD plus curved AMOLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, paired with Adreno 730 GPU. The smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of RAM and 256, 512, or 1 TB of onboard storage. In terms of optics, the Honor X50 GT sports a dual camera setup under circular ring at the top center that includes a 108-megapixel main camera with f1.75 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports electronic image stabilization for anti-shake video recording. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5,800 mAh battery, with 35 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 13, based on macOS 7.2 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP53 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.6 by 75.5 by 8 mm, and it weighs around 192 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Honor X50 GT has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Magic Night Black and Silver Aries color options. So, what do you guys think of this Honor X50 GT smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.